Hello everyone, welcome back to again my technical.in channel. This video presents how to draw a simple car on PPT. So let's start. Take new slide. Take double circle shape. Change outline color. Fill shape color. Copy this shape, Ctrl+D, manage one shape to other shape. Again take one rectangle shape. Again take rectangle shape. For cover to back rectangle shape, select two shape. Go to merge, select subtract. Again take half circle. And manage according this shape. For copy this shape, so press Ctrl+D, Shift plus left arrow and down arrow. Again take rectangle shape. Again take arrow. Rotate this shape and manage other shape line. Again take rectangle shape and manage. Fill color. Select any color. I hope you like this video, so please like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching this video.